Hey everybody, it's 9:47 and 29 seconds on December 6th. I tried to hit the record button that's up here and it wouldn't record. So that's how come I said 9:46 frozen, and then all of a sudden it started working again. So anyway, without further ado, this is the mini number 1 for the Spider-Man 101 and 300. Over here are the 12 filled spots. Okay, whoever comes in first place in this mini is going to get the first 4 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place will get the next 2. They will be filled in order of availability. Many people have multiple spots here, so you could come in first and second. That goes without saying. So let's roll the 3 dice. Number is lucky 7. Here we go. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here's the final one. 7. Tony Hull gets the first 4. Alfredo Rolón gets the next 2. Time is 9:48 and